the way the world looks. You have already learned about this in your third standard. So it will be very easy for you to understand this chapter too. Okay, now you look at these pictures. Can you guess what these pictures are about? Make a guess. Okay, now let me disclose the answer. The first one is the top view of our Indian Parliament. And the second one is the top view of the Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. See how things are differently pictured, aren't they? So it is very important the way we look at things. Gappu's air journey. Gappu was a brave little mouse. One day he saw children playing with a huge gas balloon. The balloon went up slowly and at last touched the roof. Gappu was thrilled. He got an idea. Next day, when the children went to school, can you guess what Gappu has done? Gappu climbed up the string of the balloon. He could see the blades of the fan from above.
Oh, this is so much dirt on these blades. From below they look so clean.
Gappu looked down. He could see the bed, the chair, one table with books on it, and the other table with a bottle, a jug, fruits, etc.
That stupid Chinky is looking for cheese. Can't even see it is kept on top of the jug.
Just then, a strong wind pushed the balloon out of the room. He was moving over the road. The balloon flew up and Gappu started going up in the sky. As he looked down, he could see his house.
When I ran around in my house, it looked so big. But from here it looks so small. How is that?
As he went higher, he could see things around his house. The park, the Gurudwara, the railway line, a sweet shop, and Suhasini's house with a big water tank on its roof.
Who's that on the railway track? Is it that fat cat Monty? Ha ha ha! From here it looks like a big white mouse. This must be the Gurudwara where Amarjit goes every day.
The balloon went up and up. Gappu kept wondering how big the world is. Now he could see lots of houses, streets, roads, and buses.
Wow! Is that the train looking like a long box from here? These cars and buses look so small from here, just like toys, and people look like ants.
Suddenly, there was a loud sound. Phut! The balloon burst and started falling down, down, and everything started looking bigger and bigger. Thup! Gappu fell on the railway track. He ran to save himself from the cruel Monty, who ran after Gappu and the other rats on the railway track. The route map to Ismail's house. Children, can you tell here who is giving instructions to whom? Yes, Ismail is giving instruction to Srijada about the route map to his house. So, let's move according to the instruction. You can also take your textbook and draw the route by using a pencil. Okay? From your house, reach the milk booth and then take a left turn. This is the milk booth and from here you have to take a left turn. From the second crossing, children, this is the first crossing and this one is the second crossing. So from here you have to move. Take a right turn and go over the bridge. Go straight and then take the first right turn. After about 100 meters, you will see a big park. Children, if we move right from here, can we reach the park? No. So something went wrong here. Here we should take a left turn and move. When you cross the park, you will come to a side lane. My house is the first house in that lane. Children, so from here, which turn you have to take? You should take left turn or right turn? You should take the left turn because there is no park in the right hand side. So you have to take a left hand side and move. The question is, did Ismail go wrong somewhere? Can you correct him? So you can correct Ismail's instruction like this. Understood? Now we can move on to the next part, Ghibli and the big box. Do you remember Ghibli, the ant in the Math Magic Book 3? Well, one day Ghibli saw a big box on her way. Children, can we make such a box? At first, you have to draw 6 equal squares like this. Then cut it like this and take out. After that, fold the sides of the square like this to make a box. Children, while writing the numbers on the box, you have to remember that the opposite numbers should be added up to 7. Now we can check Ghibli's box. Which number was on the opposite side of 5? Yes, it is 2 because 5 plus 2 equals 7. In the picture, which number will be at the bottom? Since it is 1 at the top, it should be 6. The next one is, which number will Ghibli see if she again turns left from 5? It is 4. Next is, what will this box look like if you opened it up? Mark the correct picture. Here this box means whose box? Yes, Ghibli's box. For doing this, you have to try the same with a box. Now I am marking the numbers according to option A. See the number which is just opposite to 1. It is 6. The number which is opposite to 5 is 2. Since option A satisfies the condition, opposite sides should be added up to 7. Option A is the answer. Okay, now tell me, how will you do if you are asked to do the same without using a box? Is there any trick? It will be easy if you understand the position of the opposite numbers. Here 5 and 2 are in this position. The numbers which are written in these two boxes will be opposite. The next opposite numbers will be in this position. Then this is the last set.